Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're your shortcut to getting, well, really informed about the important stuff shaping our world. We cut through the noise for you. Today, we're diving into something that's really changed the game for managing money: mobile banking. And specifically, we're going to unpack the Heartland Bank mobile app. Our mission here is pretty clear. Not just a list of features. We want to get into the design, the security, how it actually makes managing your finances simpler, maybe even gives you a bit more control.
Yeah, and it's a great time to talk about this because, for so many people now, their bank isn't really a building anymore, is it? It's basically in their pocket, this little digital tool. So understanding what it can do and, crucially, how it keeps things safe. Well, that's not just nice to have. It's pretty vital for, handling your money confidently today.
Okay, so let's pull back the curtain. Yeah, where do we start? Let's kick off with the basics, the sort of must-haves for any banking app, like general account management, just seeing your balances, checking, savings, loans, whatever you've got, instantly. And checking your transaction history, too, knowing what's gone in and out.
Right.
No guesswork.
Right, and that 24/7 access, that's a real transformer there.
Yeah.
Think about it. You're not waiting for a paper statement. You don't need to call during specific hours just for a balance check. It gives you this strategic edge, almost. You can check things right before you buy something big or, confirm a payment went through immediately, spot anything weird right away.
Yep.
It helps to be proactive.
Totally. It removes that old delay, that uncertainty. And it's not just looking, right? Moving money is just as critical. So fund transfers, being able to, shift money easily, maybe between your own Heartland accounts, savings to checking, or even sending money to accounts at other banks. It's designed to be really smooth.
Exactly. And the speed and security there are, well, they're paramount. We live in this interconnected financial world, right? So being able to move funds fast and reliably without jumping through hoops at different websites, it just streamlines your whole financial life. It means your money is where you need it, when you need it, which is, key for planning.
Okay. Now, here's one feature that I think was a real aha moment for a lot of people when it first came out. Still is, honestly. Mobile deposit. You get a check, right? Maybe someone pays you. Or you get a refund check. Used to mean a trip to the bank or finding an ATM. Kind of a hassle now. Just grab your phone, open the Heartland app, snap a picture of the front, picture of the back. Done. Deposited. It's secure. It's super straightforward. Takes away that old logistical headache.
And that's a perfect example of digital solving a real pain point. Think about small business owners. Faster access to funds, better cash flow, right?
Yeah.
Without stopping their day. Or maybe you live further out from a branch. It just removes that physical barrier. It's not just depositing a check. It's like getting your time back, making banking genuinely accessible.
Yeah, that focus on efficiency, it carries through, doesn't it? Like managing regular payments. Let's talk bill pay. So paying your bills, or even sending money to other people. You can do that right in the app. It's about centralizing things, making sure you don't miss payments, keeping track of where money's going out.
Absolutely. And it's more than just paying one bill. You can often set up recurring payments. That's powerful for budgeting automatically. You set it up once, mortgage, utilities, whatever, and know it's handled. Helps avoid late fees, helps you manage that financial calendar without stress.
And what if you have a question? About a transaction or how something works? The app has secure messaging built right in.
Yeah, and that's important. It's not just like sending an email into the void. It's a direct encrypted line to customer support within that secure app environment. So your questions get handled confidentially through the right channels. You get help without having to leave the app or make a call.
Okay, so those are the core things. But here's where it gets really interesting, I think. Moving beyond just the transactions to features that give you more control. More proactive security. Tools that let you actively manage things. Let's dig into card controls. This is a big one. Puts the power right in your hands. You can manage your debit, credit cards directly from the app. And the killer feature, instantly locking or unlocking your card. Imagine this. You're out, maybe at a cafe. You go to pay. Card's gone. Panic.
Oh, yeah. That sinking feeling.
Instead of frantically calling the bank, waiting on hold, you just pull out your phone, open the app, tap, card locked. Instantly. And if you find it later, maybe it just fell into your bag. Just as easy to unlock it. That's huge in a stressful moment.
It really is.
Yeah.
And what's fascinating there is how it shifts fraud prevention. It becomes proactive, not reactive. Before, you'd find weird charges after they happen, then report it. Now you've got that digital off switch right there. You're the first line of defense, that immediate user-led control. It cuts down anxiety, gives you a real sense of security.
Building on that proactive idea, alerts and notifications, you can set these up, customize them, get real-time pings about, well, pretty much anything. Balance changes, big transactions, deposits coming in.
Even low balance warnings.
Exactly. So you're not just informed, you've got a real-time pulse on your finances.
Yeah, and connecting that to financial wellness, those immediate alerts are super valuable. Sure, they help spot potential fraud faster, but they also kind of nudge your behavior, Knowing instantly when a big purchase clears or when your balance is low, it keeps you mindful of spending habits, keeps you engaged.
Good point. And speaking of keeping things organized and maybe less cluttered, statements.
Right. Ditching the paper pile.
Exactly. No more waiting for the mail, hoping it doesn't get lost. You just access your monthly statements electronically, securely, right in the app.
Which is great for the environment, obviously.
Sure, but also it gives you this secure, searchable archive of your history. Need to check something from months ago, or for taxes, it's right there.
Very handy.
Okay, here's another one that solves a really common, kind of annoying problem. The travel plans feature.
Ah, yes. The dreaded vacation card decline.
We've all been there, right? You're away, maybe overseas, try to buy something, declined. Often it's just the bank's fraud system seeing an unusual location.
Which is good, but frustrating at the wrong moment.
So with the app, you can just tell Heartland Bank your travel dates and destinations beforehand. That way your card doesn't get automatically flagged when you start using it somewhere new. Prevents a lot of stress.
And, if you zoom out a bit, it's these kinds of thoughtful little features. They add up. They take a banking app from just being functional to being like a helpful partner. They anticipate those common frustrations and offer neat digital fixes, reduces friction, takes away those little anxieties.
Definitely. And speaking of smooth and frictionless, digital wallet support.
Contactless payments.
Yeah, the app works seamlessly with things like Apple Pay, Google Pay.
So you can just tap your phone or watch to pay at millions of places, often don't even need your physical card.
It's convenient, obviously, but also really secure because of how that technology works with tokenization.
Right, your actual card number isn't shared.
And finally, for those times you do need cash or maybe a specific service, there's the ATM and branch locator in the app.
Yep, helps you find the nearest Heartland bank office, ATM, or even an ITM.
An ITM. Explain that quickly.
Sure. An interactive teller machine. It's kind of a hybrid, looks like an advanced ATM, but you can actually connect via video to a live teller.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so for things an ATM can't do, like cashing a check to the penny, or more complex deposits, you can talk to a real person through the machine. It extends those personalized services beyond typical branch hours. It's a nice bridge between digital and physical.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground. Powerful features, tons of convenience. But I know a key question for you listening is probably security. How safe is all this?
And that's absolutely the right question to ask. It's paramount.
We want to reassure you, the Heartland app is built with multiple layers of security. It's designed to protect your money and your data.
That's right. The sources point to several key things. First, obviously, strong password protection. Your first defense. Use good passwords.
Always good advice.
Then you've got internet firewalls. Think of them as digital gatekeepers, basically, protecting the bank's systems and your data from unauthorized access. And then a really crucial layer, 128-bit encryption.
Okay, break that down. What does 128-bit mean for security?
Well, without getting too technical, it means the key used to scramble your data is incredibly complex. So complex that, honestly, even the fastest supercomputers today would need billions of years to crack it by just guessing. It means all your communication within the app, your transactions, is all thoroughly scrambled, virtually unreadable to anyone intercepting it. That protects your privacy, ensures integrity.
So multiple layers working together.
Exactly. They work in concert for your peace of mind. And here's another critical design point for security, something you should know. The app itself is specifically built not to store your really sensitive info, like images of checks you deposited, or your full account numbers directly on your phone or tablet.
Ah, okay. So even if someone got my phone.
Right. Even if your device was lost, stolen, compromised somehow, that critical banking data isn't just sitting there locally for someone to find. It lives on the bank's secure, encrypted servers. You only access it when you log in securely through the app. It's a really important safety layer baked into the design.
That makes sense. So robust security is really foundational here.
Absolutely. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the technologies and design choices keeping your finances safe while you use the app.
So let's wrap this up. What does this all mean for you? Basically, the Heartland Bank mobile banking app is, well, it's a comprehensive tool. It's free, it's secure, it's incredibly convenient, gives you that 24/7 access to manage your money effectively, puts you in control right from your phone. And if you're thinking of trying it, it's available for download Apple App Store, Google Play Store, easy to find.
And maybe a final thought as you consider using tools like this more. Think beyond just the convenience factor, maybe. Consider how using these features strategically, really leaning into them, could actually change your relationship with your money. Could it offer more independence, more proactive control, a clearer view of your financial health? How might mastering just one or two of these things really streamline your routine or ease a specific financial worry you have?
That's a great point. Think about that cumulative impact, the time saved, being more informed, feeling more secure, maybe less stressed about money stuff. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the Heartland Bank mobile app. We hope you feel more informed and empowered to take control of your financial journey.